All right, welcome back to Canva Creatives Hub. And today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make a logo transparent in Canva. Now, it's actually way easier than you think, so this will not be that long of a tutorial. But if you're new to Canva Creatives Hub, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm putting out a lot of videos about how to use Canva from somebody that's been using Canva for years in their business. I run multiple YouTube channels. I'm an internet marketer. I do all kinds of different things. I also have Etsy accounts and Teachers Pay Teachers accounts. I've used Canva to make money. I'm going to show you how to do all those things as well on this channel. So this is a brand new channel that just started 3 weeks ago. You can see here. So if you had hit that like button, we already have 81 subscribers, pretty dang cool. Let's jump into today's tutorial. All right, so we are inside of Canva, and what I'm gonna do is just come up here to create a design, and we're gonna easily go down here to logo. It starts off with a 500 by 500 pixel. You can easily adjust this. Now remember, I'm on a pro account, so a lot of the things that I'm showing and you may or may not be able to do. I know that the magic switch, see if you see this crown right here, it means that this is a pro feature. Now I definitely recommend picking up Canva Pro if you don't have it. But nonetheless, you'll be able to just go and create your logo the size that you want originally by just going over here and going to create a custom size right here. And then you'll be able to put the pixels in there exactly the dimensions that you want. But let's go and just pick out a logo over here. And let's just say we have this logo right here, and it has a lot of things going on, and there's a black background, and then we have the the logo part right here, or the icon or graphic, and then we have the text right over here. So you could definitely change this out, and then, but what the question is that you're wondering, well, I want to put this whole thing on a website or something, but I don't want the black background, right? And vice versa. You could actually have this as a white background and then we want to make sure it's transparent. So all you need to do is just come right up here to the share button right over here. We're going to go and download this, right? And so we have, go ahead and title it whatever you have or whatever you need to. And this is very important right here. You're going to, and this is where the pro feature comes in as well, is you have to have the pro account right there in order to do a transparent background right here. It's a pro feature. We're going to say download with the transparent background. So I'm going to push download right here, and it's going to go download for us. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on that and open it. And so now you can see that this is now a transparent background that if I come over here and let's just say I add a new page and we want to change the color of this, let's just make maybe put this as white, or maybe even like a yellow, okay? And then we come back over here and we go to uploads and we upload our file over here, and our transparent file is right there. I'm gonna push open, and you can see that there's no black background around it, right? In the background, there's no black background. I'm gonna click on this, and now you can see that we have this, we have our logo, and this is what a transparent logo will look like, because now I can go over here and we can change the color to anything that we want, right? It looks really good on blue, and we'd be able to resize this if we wanted to maximize that, right? So if we didn't do that, right, if we come up here to the original logo and we just go download this again, let me show you what the difference is. If we select page one, but we don't select transparent background, now watch what happens on this download. So we're going to download that real quick. And then we're going to go over there and we're going to open it. And now you can see the differences between the two. Here is without a transparent background. It has the black background behind it, right? And we can't change that going forward. If we upload this image right here back to Canva, we wouldn't be able to change the background. And this is the transparent background. With a transparent background is right here. Without a transparent is right there. And so it gives you the transparent background right here, gives you a lot of flexibility, like I said, to be able to come in here and change, put this on any background and move it around and resize it like so. Okay, so pretty cool. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys, and if it did, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe, because I'm coming out with more content daily. I'll see you in the next video.